If you're watching this right now, it is not a coincidence. This is to confirm that you are aligned with God's will, and it's going to completely change the game for you and level the playing field. Because when you align yourself with God's will, everything gets so much easier. You're not trying to force an outcome. You're not trying to make things happen that aren't meant to happen. And you're living in alignment with who you're meant to be in this lifetime, who God created you to be. And so this is going to be something that allows you to access certain resources and ideas and inspirations and people and events that you didn't have access to before, but were always there. It was just you were trying to force your way of doing things instead of just surrendering to God's will. So when you do that and you just go with that guidance that you receive in whispers or in insights or in ideas, and you take action on them without any limitations getting in your way, that's when you unblock all those things, and all those resources and ideas and people come in the form of blessings or as answered prayers. So, for example, if you have a need and it's aligned with what you feel called to do, your resourcefulness is going to be activated because it opens you up to what you have on hand, or God presents these things to you as opportunities. So, for example, it is my intention, and I feel called to do so, to homeschool my children in faith and to not put them into regular school or public school. And that's coming from a place of like deep faith and contemplation. And I have no idea what I'm doing. And so when I started working this afternoon, I felt called to look into some downloadable resources that I have that get updated monthly. So I randomly went and checked this out to see what the new release was. And right there was exactly what I needed, not only once, but twice. Two things that I am struggling with that I pray God helps me overcome and gives me guidance on is finding alternatives to screen time so I don't waste my life, and resources for homeschooling because I struggle with structure. And so when I opened up this website where I have these resources, two resources were uploaded that answer those queries that I had. How do I do this? And then I was presented the tool and resource that was free that filled that need. So those are examples of how God will present you things at the very moment you need them. That if you have a need, He will provide. Another example of this is you have something you need to pay or something you want that costs money, and you have no way of paying it. You ask God for it. If it's meant to be, He will deliver. And for some reason, you'll get it in the most surprising way, in things that you couldn't even think or plan for or prepare for. So you might have a concert you want to go to for $200, but you don't have that money, and you receive a random refund, like a check in the mail for $200, and that fills that need exactly. God gives you exactly what you need when you need it, as long as you are open to that and it's aligned with what He has planned for you. So I hope that this was helpful. I hope that this made sense. This is everything that we tap into inside of the Temple Within. It's my online sanctuary where we grow closer to God together outside of religious dogma and religious theology, where it suits you instead of what you've been expected to do in terms of religious dogma and theology. So that's linked down below. I'm relaunching that this month. Otherwise, if this was helpful or resonated, let me know in the comments and share this with others who need to hear this message. Otherwise, if you want to support this channel, there are some options linked down below. I love you so much. And remember, God loves you more, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.